Certificates of Relief and Good Conduct. What you should know. Part 1, from the Legal Action Center.
What are certificates of relief from disabilities and certificates of good conduct?
If you have a criminal record, there's a good chance you've been told, sorry, but due to your background check, we cannot hire you. New York laws might automatically bar you from getting a job like security guard or realtor, getting an occupational license, or serving as a juror. Automatically means you won't even be considered. These laws are just some of the barriers that keep people with criminal records from getting ahead. The good news is you can lower these barriers. Certificates of relief from disabilities and certificates of good conduct cancel the effects of laws that automatically bar you from certain jobs, serving as a juror, being a guardian of children, and more. With a certificate, you may apply for these opportunities and be considered. Other employers might like to see these certificates as well. It's New York State's way of saying, you've shown rehabilitation.
If I have a certificate, can employers still find out about my criminal convictions?
Yes. Certificates do not make your convictions disappear. They do not hide or expunge them or serve as a pardon. But employers and licensing agencies must consider your certificate when evaluating you for the job or license. They also have to consider good things you've done since your last offense, whether you were young at the time, and if the conviction is related to the work you are applying for.
What's the difference between the two certificates?
The main difference is you need a certificate of good conduct if you want to hold public office. Public office includes many law enforcement jobs and a few positions you might not expect, such as a local village building inspector.
How do I know which certificate to apply for?
Count your felony convictions, including federal and out-of-state convictions. If you have 2 or more felony convictions, or you plan to seek public office, apply for a certificate of good conduct. This one certificate will cover all of your convictions. If you have 1 or no felony conviction, apply for a certificate of relief from disabilities. These work differently. You will need one for each misdemeanor conviction you have, and if you have one, for your felony conviction too. Most people are mistaken about how many felony and misdemeanor convictions they have. To find out about your number of convictions, get a copy of your rap sheet. RAP stands for Records of Arrest and Prosecutions. You can learn more about rap sheets from other Legal Action Center materials.
I pled guilty to 2 felony convictions on the same date in the same court. Which certificate should I get?
A certificate of relief from disabilities. Convictions on the same date in the same court are considered just one felony conviction when applying for certificates.
Can I use my certificate in another state?
Probably not. Other states may not recognize a New York State certificate.
Where can I find more information?
Visit the Legal Action Center's website at www.lac.org. You'll find our booklet, Lowering Criminal Record Barriers, and other useful information. You can also call us at 212-243-1313 to see if you're eligible for our services.